Gebo QT4-20 block machine is newly designed in 2019. It is hydraulic system, can produce good quality bricks, pavers, and curbstone. Manual hydraulic valve control, which is user-friendly, easy to operate and maintain. It can produce different kinds of bricks by changing modes. Capacity is 5,000 to 6,000 pieces, 400 by 200 by 200 mm block per 8 hours. Whole production line need about 3 to 4 workers. It is popular in Zimbabwe, Botswana, Uganda, Philippines, and so on, Africa and Southeast Asia countries. Gebo QT4-20 block machine use JQ600 1.2 meter diameter pan mixer, which can supply material in time, and 8 meter belt convey machine, which is convenient to place the machine. It uses belt convey machine under material hopper to feed material accurately and evenly, not stock material and easy to clean. It can produce 400 by 115 by 200 mm hollow brick 6 pieces per mold, 8,000 to 9,000 pieces per 8 hours. Mold has been heat treatment, can use for more than 100,000 times. By changing modes, QT4-20 block machine can produce different kinds of bricks. Coastal maxi brick is very commonly used in South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Botswana. In Bulawayo, it is used as standard bricks, has very big market demand. Compared with solid maxi brick, it is light in weight and easy to reinforce steel bar. QT4-20 can produce 230 by 115 by 75 mm coastal maxi brick 12 pieces per mold, 15,000 to 20,000 pieces per 8 hours, need about 10,000 to 20,000 pieces pallet. As a hydraulic system block machine, Gebo QT4-20 can produce good density paver and colored pavers with color feeding machine. Zigzag paver is the mostly commonly used pavement block worldwide. We use wire electrode cutting machine for zigzag paver, which is cut from a whole steel plate, and mold has been heat treatment, which can ensure mold strength and durability. QT4-20 can produce zigzag paver 12 pieces per mold, 15,000 to 20,000 pieces per 8 hours. With semi-automatic control and hydraulic system, Gebo QT4-20 is easy to produce good quality curbstone with high efficiency. As pavement blocks, curbstone should be strong enough to load heavy traffic. It requires lots of material. QT4-20 block machine can feed and scatter material quickly by raw material conveyor belt under hopper and a unique design scatter system. QT4-20 can produce 500 by 150 by 300 mm curbstone 2 pieces per mold, 3,500 to 4,000 pieces per 8 hours. As a multifunctional block machine, Gebo QT4-20 can produce good quality bricks, pavers, and curbstone by changing modes. QT4-20 semi-automatic hydraulic block machine has been popular among our clients since it is easy to operate and maintain. It is suitable for clients who want to operate a medium-sized block factory. Building industry is growing fast in Africa. Block business is very profitable. It is a very wise idea to open a block factory.